Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Elly from Pocoyo. So let's get started. To draw this cute elephant, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw an oval. Up nice and high, and then just connect it. There. And then we're going to come right across, same thing, about right here, not too far apart, and go up and connect once again, same thing on the bottom. And then we're just going to come back in here and shade everything in. I'm going to try with a little highlight and see how it looks right here in the top corner, and shade everything else in. If it doesn't look right with a highlight, I'll just shade it all in later. Just want to add some sparkle to her eyes. Okay, so there, now that we have her eyes in, let's come to the bottom right here and we're going to draw her trunk. So right about, say, here, I'm going to find myself a little dot right here in the center, and this is my guide, so I know this is my center, and about right here underneath the eye, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. So about right here, go up, we're drawing her trunk, come down, the width of the eyes, about right there. Oh, so sad. And then we're just going to bring this down more, about right here. Oh no, even sadder. And then we're going to come in to draw the trunk. So about right here, let's bring it in and bring it in. About right here, and then just bring it down a little bit more, and then we're going to round it off to finish off her trunk. And connect. There. Now she's not sad anymore. Okay, so then from there we're going to have to draw this dumpling shape head. So I feel like the easiest way to do this is, let's find the top of her eye right about here, and I'm going to go out. So let's say about right here. I'm just kind of imagining this big oval. So I'll say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. So same thing on the other side. About the same width, about right here. Give myself 2 points. From there, I'm going to draw this big kind of dome shape. So it's going to come in, and we're going to come towards our center. So about right here. Just draw this big curve. About right there is my center, and then I'm going to start to draw the same thing on the other side. If you feel more comfortable drawing the head shape first and then putting in the eyes, you can definitely do that as well. Okay, so now that we have this big curve in, let's bring this down. We're going to widen it out a little bit right here, and we're going to bring it into, say, about right here on both sides of our trunk. So let's come down and widen it out right here for our dumpling shape, and then we're going to bring it in to there. So same thing on the other side. Widen it out a little bit and bring it in. There. Okay, and then you know what? I'm going to come right here. Just give Elly here a soft little curve over each eye. Then from there, let's draw her ears. So let's say about right here in this area, we're going to need to draw some big elephant ears. So I'm going to come about right here, and I need to bring it down to about right here. I'm going to have to taper it in. So to kind of know where I'm going, I'm going to go up nice and high. Nice and round right here. Round it off. And we're going to start to bring it in. And let's taper it in. There, nice and wide, right? So let's draw the same thing right across. I'm just going to drag a point, and once again, I know I'm going to come about right here. So let's go up nice and high, just like the other side. And I'm going to drag a point across since I'm drawing pretty big, just so I know how high to go, so that I'm approximately the same as the other side. So my goal is to just come back to there with this big curve. And don't worry, it's not going to be exactly the same like the other side. We just want approximately the same size. So that's why I'm just kind of going slowly and bring it in. There. Okay, so now that we have her ears in, let's go ahead and draw her body. So I'm going to come in a little bit closer, kind of like to her trunk area and centered. But right there, 2 points. I'm going to come right here and draw her body. So I'm going to come out and come down. So same thing on this side. Everything is very even on both sides. And then we're just going to round it off, come down. And it's a little bit slimmer here because I need to draw straps for her backpack. So that's why it kind of looks a little bit thinner right here. But about right there, now that I'm pretty even on both sides, I'm going to go ahead and connect a big curve at the bottom. Nice round tummy. And connect. There. Something like that. And then from there, let's come back into this area and we're going to draw in some of her, the strap right here for her backpack. So we're just following this curve you created and we're going to bring it down, and about right here, we're just going to come past it and loop it in a little bit so that it looks like it's curved in. So same thing here. Just come down, follow your body curve. And as we bring it down, we're just going to go past it and loop it in. There. Now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw Elly's legs. So once again, nice and center. So say about here and here, the width of her trunk, about there. We're going to draw 2 angle lines. So let's work on this side first. I'm going to come about right here. And we're just going to draw these big elephant legs. So just going to get slightly wider as we come down. So take a look about how long you want to make her legs. So let's say about right. Oh, about right there. I'm going to go ahead and start to bring it in. So I'm going to round it off right here at the bottom. Same thing here and connect. There. So same thing on the other side right here. Give this a little bit straighter there. So same thing, bring it to about the same level. And then once again, same thing on the other side. It's just going to be slightly wider as we come out. And about right there, go ahead and round it off. And connect. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw the arms. So the arms are just going to be up and out. So let's say it's going to be easier for my hand. So I'm just going to say about right here. I'm just going to create an angle that touches her ear and her face. So it just makes it a little bit easier to draw right here without having to do too much. And then I'm going to come out to about right there, and then let's round it off. It's kind of like her legs. And say about this wide, I'm going to start to bring it in. Now bring it into about right here. There. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Just use this angle right here. And come out to take a look about where you should end. So say about right here. Round it off. Drag this point across, approximate, about right there. And connect. So it's just slightly thinner right here. Is our goal. And connect. There. And then for some little details on her legs right here on her knee area, there's this little swirl that you can draw. I'm just going to come right here and draw a swirl. Thicken it up. And there's one more here going the other way. So about right here. Just going to draw a little swirl. There. And of course we need to add a heart, right? So let's give Elly a heart right here. to make her my Draw So Cute Ellie from Pocoyo. I really hope you love how this cute elephant turned out and I inspired you to draw her fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.